Okay, we're back again. What we're going to do today is we're going to draw a series of buildings. So to start, you're going to hold your paper like this, pretty much the same way we did the treasure chest previously. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually, to make it a little bit easier, we won't measure this out. So what you can do is just use the width of your ruler. So I'm lining up the bottom of my ruler with the bottom of the page, or the side of the ruler with the bottom of the page. And I'm just going to draw a line straight across like that. At the end of that line, that's where the vanishing points are going to go. One on the right side, one on the left side. Remember, that line connecting the vanishing points is the horizon line. That is what you would see at eye level. Somewhere in the middle, it does not have to be exact. If you want to measure, you can, but approximately in the middle of this horizontal line, the horizon line right there, I'm going to draw a vertical line straight up and down. Again, lining the bottom of your ruler up, or the top of your ruler at the bottom or top of the page really helps. And I'm going to draw a vertical line 1, 2, 3, 4 inches tall. At the top of that vertical line, I'm going to aim one guideline to the right vanishing point. Remember, your guidelines always have to touch a vanishing point. So I'm going to draw one guideline here. And at the top of the vertical line again, I'm going to draw another guideline to the left vanishing point. As you can see, mine looks, it's close to the center, but it's a little bit to the left. Again, not a big deal. Top of the vertical line on the right side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure 2 inches right here. I'm going to draw a vertical line straight down. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Line my ruler up. Left guideline right here. 2 inches. At that mark, I'm going to draw a vertical line straight down. I can erase the leftover line on each side. And move on to the next building. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a building on the left-hand side, and I'll make another one on the right-hand side as well. But we'll start on the left side. I'm going to measure over 1 inch at the bottom of the horizon line. And from this mark right here, I'm going to draw a vertical line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches tall. The top of that vertical line, I'm going to aim to the right vanishing point. I'm going to stop as soon as I get maybe about halfway in between the wall of this building. And then where I stop, I'm going to draw a vertical line straight down until I hit the top of that line right here. Remember, all vertical lines are parallel to each other. They never touch, they never cross, they never intersect. And then I'm going to draw a guideline aiming to the left vanishing point. I'll probably go down 1, 2, maybe 3 inches. Right there, I'll draw a vertical line straight down. I'm going to jump over to the right side. Again, what I'll do is I'll measure 1 inch over, just so I have some room here. I'm starting at 7 and I'm just going over to 8. So I'm measuring 1 inch. I'm going to draw a vertical line straight up about 4 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4. The top of that vertical line, just like we did on the other side. I'm going to aim to the right vanishing point, and I'm going to aim to the left vanishing point. I'm going to stop on the left side as soon as I hit the top of this building right here. On the right side, I'm going to measure 1, 2, 3 inches. Draw a vertical line straight down. I'm going to erase the leftover line right there. We have 3 buildings. In between where this line hit the top of this building and this corner, I'm going to draw a vertical line straight up. I'm not really going to give you a measurement here. Just bring it towards the top of the paper. And then the top of that line, I'm going to draw a guideline to the left vanishing point. See that my ruler is lined up with the left vanishing point. I'm going to bring it close to this building, but not all the way. Where I stop, draw a vertical line. Top of this, same thing. I'm going to aim it to the right vanishing point. I'm going to stop while I'm still somewhere above this line and draw another vertical line. You can go ahead and add more buildings as you'd like. You could even do a traffic light. A traffic light would actually be the same as your building. I'm going to start off with a vertical line. I'm going to make this a little bit of an oversized traffic light so you can see, but there's a vertical line there. Top and bottom of that line get aimed to each vanishing point. Again, making sure that I'm keeping my pencil point in place. My ruler is aiming to the vanishing point. You can see it's touching there, so I drew a line, making sure these 2 lines here are aimed to this vanishing point. These 2 lines here are aimed towards this one. I'm going to draw a vertical line here, a vertical line on this side, erase the little leftover. The bottom right-hand corner gets aimed to the left vanishing point, and the bottom left-hand corner gets aimed to the right. And then you can draw your lights in there with a pole. Next video, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to draw some signs, some doors, some windows. And as I said, if you want to add some more buildings, you are free to. So do the best that you can with this. Again, just a reminder, draw light enough so that you can erase, dark enough so you can see. But remember, even when we're doing things correctly, we are still erasing. I'm just drawing a little more, a little darker on my paper so you can see it. As always, if you have any questions, you can contact me. You can rewind, you can pause, you can rewatch this video, but just do your best. There's no stress here. Have fun with it. This is all just practice. Good luck.